What's up, everybody? It's Miss Wilson on the ones and twos, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell, because this is your new one-stop shop for all things math, and you do not want to miss out. Okay. How to multiply a single digit number times a multi-digit number. There are two main strategies that I like to use. However, today I'm going to go over the standard algorithm strategy. But be sure to check out my video where I go over the area model strategy, especially if you are a visual learner. So grab your whiteboards and markers, your pencils and papers, whatever you got, and let's dive in. So let's start with 485 times 3. First, you want to stack your numbers vertically, lining up the place values. Since the 3 is in the ones place, I'm going to put it under the 5 that's also in the ones place, like this. Then we're going to multiply each place value on the top by the 3 on the bottom. Remember, the place value just refers to the position each number is in. 5 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the hundreds place. So 5 ones times 3 is 15 ones. Since each place value can only have one digit, we keep the 5 in the ones place and we carry the 1 to the top of the next place value, the tens. And we'll add that in just a second. Next, 8 tens times 3 equals 24 tens. And then we add in that 1. 24 plus 1 is 25, so that's 25 tens. And then we carry that 2 up to the top of the next place value. Remember, we always add that extra number after you multiply. Finally, we multiply 4 hundredths times 3, which is 12 hundredths. Don't forget to add that extra number. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So that's going to be 14 hundredths. My 4 goes at the bottom. And since we don't have anywhere to carry my 1 to, I'm going to keep it down here in the thousands place. Then 1, 2, 3, comma. And there's our answer. 485 times 3 equals 1,455. As you get better at this, you'll probably stop referring to the place values as much. So let's try another one without referring to the specific place values. So we have 3,724 times 4. Now, don't let this big number punk you. Remember, we're just multiplying the top digits by the bottom digit. First, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. The 6 stays at the bottom and we carry the 1 to the top of the next place value. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Plus the 1 at the top equals 9. Easy. And we don't have to carry since 9 is just one digit. Next, 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 stays at the bottom. We carry our 2 to the top of the next place value. Finally, 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 2 is 14. And we just need our comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And there's our answer. 3,724 times 4 equals 14,896. We getting money, baby.